This tutorial will highlight just a few of the useful features available in PX that allow users to do faster modeling, extraction, and evaluation of structure. Perform Extension is an Extend pre- and post-processing software for Perform 3D. The main objective of this package is to provide the tools that are not available in Perform 3D. PX can help the user in area of performance-based seismic design and seismic evaluation of buildings which require time series analysis under several ground motion. PX consists of three main menu tabs. First is the modeling phase. Second is the extraction phase. The last one is evaluation phase. For modeling phase or other phase, it contains a lot of options or a lot of tasks. To use this option, you can follow the step in user manual. In user manual, they contain 4 main chapters. The first one is introduction. Second is modeling phase. The third one is extraction phase. The fourth is evaluation phase. If you want to use any task, please follow the step inside in here. For example, in each section, it contains of what the program will do, to explain about the program. Second, how to use the program step by step. You need to prepare the input file for the modeling phase and evaluation phase. These are some sample of input file that need to be prepared. It is a good idea if you copy this folder and move to the new location. So rather than use the original file and work from that location. So now I will show you how to use a tag in the modeling phase. For example, if you want to use moment hint calculation beam SE41, to use this one, you need to prepare the input file information first. Move to beam moment hint. This is a file that you need to prepare. Beam moment hint calculation. So in here they have 5 sections of beam and with the reinforcement detail. Later on, PX will calculate other modeling parameters. After you prepare the input file, you copy the part, paste here, click moment hint calculation beam SE41 and click run. Only 3 main steps. Later on, PX will generate another file. This one you can copy the information and paste to here. This is a value that calculated by PX that later on you can track back how the PX calculate this one. The second file is a moment hint binary. This information later on PX will convert to be binary file. This is a modeling parameter for Perform 3D. If we get this file ready, it's time to convert to be binary by click add moment hint binary writing and run. Then you will get this binary file ready to import to Perform 3D. go to moment hint rotation type and you will see this one is the moment hint that already defined in the model, but we want to import the new information that created by px. You select all. This is the information of the moment hint that created by px. You can check whether it's be import or not. This is the moment hint property that created by px. As you can see, if your building have 100 of moment hint property that need to be defined, and if you need to define one by one for all these parameters, it take very long time and it's very tedious work. So if you use px, it will be really fast procedure and easy to use by editing the information in Excel and convert to be binary and import to perform 3D. For the second example, it will be extraction phase. To use this one, we need the model part. The model need to be already run. After you paste the part here, px will automatically load the series and analysis case that it run in Perform 2D. You check this one. For example, you can see in here, this is the analysis case in Perform 2D. You may choose one analysis case and choose the result here and here. You may choose commandant result and save as the time history. Click run. At the same location of the perform model folder, px will generate another folder based on that analysis case. And after you go to see, you can see the element group that you select. This is the component result. The format will be exactly the same as the format of Perform 3D. This is the Excel stain result. And you can see, px also can help you for the faster extraction the analysis result from Perform 3D in many types of the result. The last one will be a task in evaluation phase. We will show you for the story dip transient in this option. To use this one, you need to prepare the input information. We move to evaluation phase, story dip transient. In here, you need to prepare three types of input file. This is a dip form based on 7-count motion, which can obtain from the extraction phase. You need to prepare Excel file, Excel file here. Just follow the step in user manual. Then copy the path here. Click at solid dip transient. You also can customize the dip limit value here. Because this one have only 7-count motion, you need to change this one to be 7 and run. The evaluation time, it depends on the number of conversion that you use and depend on the information that you want to get. We can back to check the result. At the first time, you provide only this sheet. Now PX generate another sheet for you. This is a sample of result of story dip based on 7 conversion. It will be summarized here. They have the average result also, and they have the graph plotting based on the story dip here. The graph, it will be good format that is ready for user to just copy and paste in the report. You can imagine if you need to summarize the result based on the conversion for many conversion, it will take a lot of time. If you let PX to help you to manage this thing, it will be very fast and easy. As you can see, PX can help you a lot to do tedious and hard work for nonlinear modeling paths, extract time history analysis result, and evaluate time history response. This is overall of the first tutorial of PX program.